In today's video, we'll walk you through what you should do before starting the VersaBoost Pro, Little Giant's all-in-one solution for constant pressure boosting. Let's begin. To ensure optimum pressure regulation, check the pressure tank pre-charge regularly. The pre-charge pressure should be set at 30% less than the desired operating pressure, plus or minus 2 psi. To check the tank's pre-charge, remove power by unplugging the unit and waiting at least 5 minutes. Shut off the incoming water source. Depressurize the water system by opening a tap. Remove the top or side cover as applicable to access the pressure tank's valve. Measure the tank pre-charge with a pressure gauge at its inflation valve. Make the necessary adjustments. Replace the cover as applicable. Prime the system. To do this, start by filling the suction line. For pressurized or gravity-fed systems, slightly open the priming port to allow water to fill the unit and suction line. For suction lift applications, fill the line with water and use a foot valve to retain it. Remove the priming port plug. Use the provided 7/16 Allen wrench to remove the priming port plug on top of the unit. Fill the unit. Pour water into the priming port until the unit and suction line are full. Ensure all air is evacuated from the system. Replace the priming port plug. Close the priming port securely. For municipal or pressurized water supply systems, slightly open the incoming water supply. Then slightly open the priming plug until all air is expelled and only water flows from the priming port. Once filled and the air is expelled, securely reinstall the plug. Finally, fully open the incoming water supply. Open a system outlet. Open an outlet at the highest point in the plumbing to release any remaining air. Check for leaks. Inspect the system thoroughly before starting the unit. Start the unit. Finally, ensure all air is expelled from the system. Completely open a system outlet to ensure air is expelled from the system, water is flowing properly, and the unit is pressurizing up to the desired pressure set point. No further priming is necessary unless the unit is drained or the suction plumbing leaks. For more information on what you should do before starting the system, reference the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.